is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have something sparkly. I'm super excited. So this means that my sparklers from Tina are here. Tina has an amazing business, and you can buy her items off of Facebook. I'm just opening it up off camera right now. She opened her shop up for a day or two and had so many orders she had to close it. So please run over to her Facebook page, become a member so that you can be alerted when she goes live again with her sparklers. And her Facebook group is called Diamond Painting with Sparklers. It's also down in the description as well, in case you forget. So, Tina, what you got for me? All right, so this says, she gives you a little note. Jennifer, thank you for supporting our business. Connect Diamond Painting with Sparklers. Instagram is sparkle_with_Tima, and email dpwithsparklers@gmail.com. Enjoy your newest goodies, Tina. All right. So I had to get 3805. However, after seeing what everybody else got with the purple ones as well, I might have to go back and get more. So these are ABs. They're gorgeous. And then I also got ABs 992. This is one of my favorite colors. Absolutely beautiful. And then I had to get some original sparklers. So excited. It's awesome. Original sparklers. And then I love the copper sparklers. So I had to get some more copper because I used a lot of them up in my last Mandy Manzano. So a little small because money's a little tight right now. However, this was amazing. And then she sent a beautiful thank you sticker. And I am so excited. So thank you so much, Tina. You are doing amazing. I hope we're bringing you lots of business and that you are enjoying your time with diamond painting and doing some self-care. You need it, girl. So love you all. Here's my little quickie sparkler unboxing. And until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.